Okay, today we're gonna take another look at the dead wood concept. We're cutting plastic because that's all I need to cut right now. And the idea is to cut from this long extrusion to cut these corner pieces perfect square. Okay, if you try this with the miter saw, you're gonna find yourself sometimes holding these small pieces next to the blade, and believe me, it's very dangerous. To eliminate the problem, okay, we designed the tool to comply with the dead wood concept principle. That means the materials, they go under the guide rail right here, against the fence under the rail. Now we need to set the system up to cut these pieces. It's very easy. Okay, put the piece over here, right here against this fence, bring the saw over, move the piece against the blade, then move this miter gauge that now we use it for a straight stop. Okay, then we tied it here, here, and why not here, and why not here? So you have 4 ways to make sure that this fence don't move anymore. Okay, so we know that this is not going to move after a day's production, and we know this is going to be our exact measurement here. Okay, so we take the prototype out right here. Now we need to apply pressure to the materials against the stubs. Can you see here how many I have stubs everywhere? Okay, move it against the stub. Now let the bridge apply pressure. The entire saw and the bridge and everything applies pressure to the materials. Now everything is easy. My hands are far away from the blade, far away from the fence, and I can work very easy and very safe. Now when you work safe, you work faster, okay, and you enjoy your work. The first thing I have to do, I have to trim this edge here, because from the factory, from these big factories, they don't cut for precision. That's your job. Nothing comes perfect. So let me just trim this edge and show you how bad the edge is. Okay. We just trim that edge, and if you see, it's from quarter here to ½ inch over here. Why? Because that's how they cut things in the factories for mass production. They are not fabricators, we are the fabricators. So we have to make sure that all the parts are perfect. Okay, now check this out. I apply pressure in the handle back here, just raise this up a little bit and move it against the fence, against the stub. Now, as you can see, the bridge applies pressure automatic. I don't even have to do nothing. Okay, I put them against the fence and I make my cut. Okay, with a miter saw, when you stop your cut, the blade keeps spinning, and any small pieces they can just fly around, because the vibration and the wind, the air pulls everything back to the blade. The blade takes the small pieces and throws them in your face everywhere. So we eliminate the problem right now, because we don't have to worry about anything. As you can see, this piece is still under pressure from my saw blade, from my saw base. Okay, so there's no way, nowhere for this piece to go. Okay, right now it's free. I want you to understand this a little bit better. Okay, I make my cut and my blade, it's free right here, so I can pull my stack right away. I don't even have to wait for the blade to stop. Unlike the miter saw, now not only we have a very precise cut, very secure, very controlled cut, but we have a very fast cut. There is no way to go faster with any miter. See? Come from here so they can see it in a different angle. Okay. You see the blade goes over here and keeps spinning, but there is nothing here to throw back to you. Okay?